Hi everyone. Demat account, a popular and a very attractive word in the mutual fund as well as equity tradings. Demat account. Uh, Demat account, it's a mandatory on today's uh, equity market as well as in the mutual fund market. In some cases, still physical form are permitted to do the transaction over with the mutual funds, especially that second category or special category of investor. Though people do not have um, a bank account, or maybe they are helping with here the remote sensing place, these are all the other areas. So what is mean by a demat account? What is mean by demat? It is expansion of demat is dematerialization. It's a process whereby an investor holding of investments in physical form is converted to a digital record. So instead of you are holding the your assets, that means equity, share certificate, mutual fund bonds, and insurance bond, and so on, all converted into what we call a e format that can be accessible very easily from anywhere and any part of the India or world. So what is the main benefit? That is the main benefit of demat account is also, so purchase and sale of investments get automatically added and subtracted from their investment in demat account, in their demat account. And also it will be avoiding a lengthy paperwork. These are all the problems faced by investor in the past decade. Purchasing, selling, and receiving certificate and all, it all make the what you call dejectory mind of the particular investor not to go for the financial assets and financial investments. So demat is the a good solution for solving all these issues. And settlement of most transaction in stock exchanges need to be compulsorily done in demat form, not like it in mutual fund. So where the demat account can be opened, that means usually the investor can go to the DP. They are called depository participant. Normally, the service is provided by bank or any broking house, and dematerialize their investment holdings. That is converting their physical units into the demat units. So if you want to be avail this particular facility, DP has insisting you have to open a demat account. Once it is going to be done, mean the KYC formalities are going to be verified. When it is everything is completed, then your demat account will be open, and you can access through your account through any part of the world and any devices over buying and selling of the securities. So the main benefit of demat account is mean physical is to legal form, that means a digital record. It is safe. Number two, saving the time. Third one is to be immediately everything is settled by via of the system. And if at all the investor wants to, uh, yes, I want to again I want to be convert my e format into the physical form. Yes, it is permitted. That particular process is named as rematerialization. So in this slide we have discussed about demat account meaning and the necessity, and what is the other form, that means the reverse of the demat account, it is called rematerialization. Thank you.